Don't sweat it. We'll hear you scream when you go over the side. We'll know.
Alright, we got us a good group ride today. We're at the Holler. We got Drew out here. We got a new fella from Indiana. His name's Jerry. And Jerry's got a Sherco, so Jerry's good with us. Got good taste. So it rained for about, I don't know, 3 hours this morning. Pretty mellow rain. It was like a sprinkle, but I think it's going to be perfect. Probably going to keep that dust down. Might be slicking a couple spots, but we're going to get up on the rocks. US Hard Enduro series is over, so we're looking for fun stuff to do. If you guys got a place to ride, want to see us ride, hit us up on Instagram, Hard Enduro Appalachia.
Oh, hey! Yeah! That was sick!
We got Jerry today.
Yeah, me and him's gonna learn one day. We can't do the pivots.
Damn!
Woo!
Good line. This thing wasn't going nowhere. She outclimbed me. That beta.
Somebody spit on that clay and it's already slippery.
I know.
Summon my inner Billy Bolt on the 350 today.
He outclimbed all us. First one up.
I'll have to ride everybody's bike.
We might want to come out on your ego a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Hey, it's rocks, it's slippery. Yeah, that rock was like ice.
About got it. There you go.
Look like fun, man. I want to get stuck in that.
I wouldn't expect it to be that slick in some of these.
There you go.
Oh crap.
I got you. Good job.
Short legs.
Oh. You alright?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got two.
I like this line.
Good job. That's a weird spot. You're on a tiny rock, got nowhere to go. Does the no engine pivot? The gravity pivot. Good job. Good job, Drew. Hell yeah, bro. Oh shit.
Hey, that's Louie. Dude, I just touched the brake and it just... There was a damn Appalachian troll back there that knocked me down. Hey, thanks, Tim. If I haven't thanked you already, this is the shit right here.
This is awesome.
Those rocks would be fun in the rain.
And we'll keep trucking. Down that.
I was gonna say, it's not the first fall, it's the dehydration finding your way out of that holler.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is there a way out the bottom?
Oh no, I don't. You don't want to go that way. There you go, let the clutch out just a little. When I get up on a log and I want to get it over, I'll let my clutch just out. I don't give it any gas and I push. that release and the push, it keeps it gripped. It'll help you. There. Oh yeah.
That's the hard work.
Just brute force. Get up here a little so he can
My boot got stuck on the damn.
Dude.
My boot got stuck on the damn pick, man. The peg just went off.
Dude.
That was a close one. How my boot got caught in there, but all of a sudden I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, not. I don't like you putting your. I don't like you dabbing on that side.
Here to tell the human race, just so you know, nature says that you are bug food every day, all the time. Know that she is trying to kill you all the time. Look at that thing. We need to put some eyes on that sucker right there.
Put a little nose on
Yeah, we need to do that.
Tight turn.
You got it.
At least I still have the clutch pulled in. That's what happened last time.
Get a room. Get a trailer or something.
Let's go up that.
Yep.
To the right.
Go in through the crack.
I mean, don't sweat it. We'll hear you scream when you go over the side. We'll know.
There you go. There you go, Chelsea.
I cut that piece off the back so it wouldn't hang as much.
Yeah, 2 inches. Sometimes just an inch over makes a world of difference.
Something my wife would tell me. That's probably true.
Good job, Jerry!
Oh, man.
Perfect. Oh, offline just a little, but you have it.
I think you can make it.
Atta girl.
Made it easy.
Oh yeah, you found the slick. Damn, making your way. That's front wheel drive, Jerry.
Yeah.
Easy, bike off, whatever.
The back end popped up on me and freaked me out right at the last second there.
Oh, you're good.
Oh, it's in my head now. No. Nope.
Nope.
That went good. Yeah. Hey, you're halfway. It's planned. Now we're upside down. We have the animal right where we want it.
You get that bull, Drew? You got it by the horns. Woo! Woo! En route. Oh.
Can we push? Yeah, I think that's me finished right there.
It's all good, bro.
I'm doing dumb shit, getting hurt now.